Hello students, in previous part of this chapter we have read the construction, how to construct a quadrilateral by 3 sides and 2 diagonals. Now we will construct a quadrilateral with the help of angles and sides. But before starting this, I want to tell you something, how to make angles from a compass. Suppose I need to make an angle of 60 degree. Okay, so what will I do? Suppose this is a line segment of 5 centimeter. Okay, this is the compass. Okay, I need to make 60 degree angle. So what will I do? I will keep my needle at one end and draw an arc. Okay, draw an arc, right? Sorry. Hello students, in previous part of this chapter we have read that how to construct a quadrilateral from 3 sides and 2 diagonals. Now we will study about how to construct a quadrilateral with angles and sides. Okay, but before starting this I want to tell you something, how to form angle with the help of compass. Okay, suppose I need to make a 60 degree angle on a line segment. Okay, so this is the line segment of 5 centimeter. Okay, so I need to make a 60 degree angle at this side. So what will I do? I will open my compass a little bit and keep my needle at the end of the line segment. Now I will draw an arc like this. Okay, keeping it same on the same position, I will keep my needle at the starting point of arc. Okay, at the starting point and mark an arc. Sorry. Okay, where these arcs intersect each other, this angle will be the 60 degree angle. Okay, now suppose I have to construct 120 degrees. Okay, so again I am taking a line segment 5 centimeter and I have to make here 120 degrees. So what will I do? Again stretching the compass a little bit and keeping my needle at the end of the line segment and marking an arc. Okay, now at the starting point, on the starting point I will keep my needle and mark an arc. This is the 60 degree angle. Now at the point where these arcs intersect, I will again keep my needle and again mark the arc. The second arc, where the second arc intersect the first arc, that will be the angle 120 degrees. Okay, now I have to construct 90 degree angle. What will I do? So suppose this is the line segment and here I have to construct 90 degree angle. So what will I do? I will repeat the same process till 120 degrees. Okay, I will mark the arc at this end We will mark the arc like this. Again, first arc, second arc. Okay, so this is the 120 degrees, but for 90 degree what we will do, we will keep the needle at 60 degree angle and mark an arc here. Okay, we will now keep the needle at 120 degrees arc and mark an arc again. So where these arcs intersect each other, that will be the angle 90 degree. Okay, this is the formation of 90 degrees. With this process you can also make angle 75 and 105. Okay, how? This is 90 degree, this is 60 degree. So for 75 what you will do, you will take, this is 90 degree and this is 60 degree. So what you will do, at keeping needle at 60 degrees, mark an arc. Keeping needle at 90 degrees, mark an arc. This will be your angle 75. Repeating the same process to the left side of the right angle, you can mark 105 degrees. Okay, so this is the process to make angle with the compass. Okay, so now let's start the construction of quadrilateral. So we have a condition that when three sides and three angles are given. So let's take an example. We need to make, we have two sides. So we have two sides. Okay, so we have two sides and three angles. Okay, let's take an example. Suppose I have to make a quadrilateral MIST, where MI is equal to 3.5 centimeter, IS is 6.5 centimeter, angle M is equal to 75 degrees, angle I is 105 degrees and angle S is 120 degrees. Okay, so for this we will draw a rough figure. So this is our rough figure, MIST. Okay, so MI is 3.5 centimeter, IS is 6.5 centimeter, angle M is 75 degrees, angle I is 105 degrees and angle S is 120 degrees. Okay, so for this what we will do, our first step is making a line segment of 3.5 degrees, 3.5 centimeter, sorry, MI. Okay, now at angle M we need to make an angle 75 degrees and at point I we need to make an angle of 105 degrees. So first we will make an angle of 105. You will draw the angle with your compass. I am just showing the method and the steps how you will draw. Okay, so keeping your needle at point I, you will mark an arc of 180 degrees. Okay, at the starting of the arc you will mark again an arc. This is your 60 degree. At the 60 degree you will again mark an arc, that will be 120 degrees. we need to make 105. Okay, so first we need to find out 90 degrees. So to make 90 degrees, keeping needle at 60 degrees, we will mark an arc here. Keeping needle at 120 degrees, we will mark again. This is the 90 degree angle. Keeping needle at 90 degrees, we will mark again an arc. Keeping needle at 120 degrees, intersect this arc. This line will show, this intersection will show the angle 105 degrees. Okay. Here we need to make an angle of 75. So again making an arc of 180 degrees. Starting at the starting point, we keep the needle of the compass and mark an arc that will be 60 degrees. Okay. And again for 120 degrees. Again for 90 degrees. So this will be your 90 degree angle. For 75, what you will do, keeping needle at 90 degrees where these arcs intersect, you will again mark an arc, and keeping needle at the 60 degrees, you will intersect the arc. This will be your 75 degrees. Okay. Now we have two angles, 75, 105. And we know that I and S is 6.5. So I have already told you how to take the length with the compass. So you will stretch your compass and with the ruler and mark the arc of 6.5. So this point will be S. Okay. At point S, you need to draw an angle of 120 degrees. So what you will do, you will again mark 180, 60, 120. So this will be your 120 degrees. Stretch this line, okay, and stretch the angle line of M also. Where they will meet, that will be the point T. So this is your quadrilateral with the help of 2 sides and 3 angles. Okay. So these are the steps but we have followed. First of all, we have draw MI, then angle I, which is of 105 degrees, then angle M, which was 75 degrees, then I and S line segment, then the angle 120 degrees at S, and stretching these angles we got the point T. So these are the steps involved in constructing the quadrilateral from 2 sides and 3 angles.